potatoes that I am going to roast in the oven. I have washed them well and I have made a few deep cuts here and there on all the sweet potatoes. This is for the steam to escape while cooking. Now I am going to rub this with some olive oil and some salt and cover it with the aluminium foil. A little bit of oil. You can use butter if you like, or any other oil that you use. Rub it well. Coat all the sides. And also add some salt. When you cook the potatoes this way, it is more healthy and nutritious because it does not lose any of its nutrients while cooking. Nicely coat it with the salt and oil, and now I am going to wrap it with the aluminium foil. You can individually wrap the sweet potatoes. I am wrapping it in one big sheet of aluminium foil. Use a heavy aluminium foil, a thick one. Why I am wrapping in aluminium foil is because the juices should not come out on the tray. It will be very difficult for you to wash the tray because the juice will be very sticky. Now I am going to roast this in a preheated oven at 200 degrees centigrade. Now this has been in the oven for an hour. I am just going to open and see. It's still very hot. You can see the steam is coming. This is how the sweet potatoes have been baked. See how soft it is. It's hot. So I'll try with a spoon. See how soft it is. It's soft and buttery. If you are not serving this immediately, I would recommend you keep it covered, and whenever you are going to serve, at that time you can cut and serve it with some fresh butter and some pepper powder. Enjoy the baked sweet potato with some butter and some black pepper.